Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we started differential equations some couple of days back. So we are going to continue with the same topic, differential equation. All right, now this is a first order of differential equation. So how do we solve this question? Okay, let's go. Solution. Now I'm going to be applying what I call the integrating factor in solving this particular question. So how do I introduce it? Look at the board. Now, this is a first order with differential equation. So I can write it like this. The y dx plus p as a function of x. Okay? Y equals q as a function of x. So you can see that this is similar to what? To this. It's a first order differential equation. All right, so let us go. Now, from here, okay, my p as a function of x, okay, is equal to what? Is equal to 2. All right, so my integrating factor is now equal to e integral p as a function of x dx. All right, so from here this is equal to e integral my p as a function of x is 2, so I'm having 2 dx. All right, so if I integrate this, all right, I'll be having this 2x. All right, so if I integrate what? E integral what? 2x and 2 dx rather, it becomes what? E 2x. All right, so this is what my integrating what? Factor. All right, now the next step here is to use this now to multiply this and this. Okay, so now if I use this to multiply this, I'll be having e 2x dy dx, okay, plus this now to multiply this, it becomes 2y e 2x. Okay, now using this also to multiply this, it becomes e 2x times e minus x. Is that clear? So at the end of the day now, so if I'm to multiply these two now, it becomes e 2x. All right, so remember that e is common here if I'm applying the rule of indices. So e is common here, so it becomes e 2x minus what? X. So I'm having e what? X. Okay, is that clear? So that is what my answer. So at the end of the day, I'll be having this e x. Is that understood? All right, so what do I now do from here? Now I want us to look at the board. Now, are you aware that I can rewrite this as integral d dx, okay, e 2xy? That if I differentiate this, okay, I'm going to be getting what? This. Remember that what? This is what the symbol, or this is how to differentiate. If I see d over dx, okay, I'm asked what to differentiate, and this is what the integral, what the integral sign. So this now is the same thing as this. Can we prove it? Let us prove it. Now we are going to be applying what rule is that? We have the function of function, we have the product rule, and then we have the quotient rule. Now since we are not dividing, okay, so we can't apply the quotient rule here, so we are going to be applying the product rule. Now how do I solve this? Okay, now look at the board. Now I will leave this. Now I'm applying what? Product rule. Okay, I will leave this. I will differentiate this. If I differentiate y, I'm having dy dx. Is that clear? Good. Plus, now I will not leave this. I will leave y. Okay, I will differentiate what? E 2x. If I differentiate this, it becomes 2. I'll bring down 2. Okay, I will write this e 2x. Okay. Now, at the end of the day, I'll be having e 2x dy dx plus 2 y e 2x. Okay, I've proved it here. We differentiated this. Okay, and then we are getting this. Am I communicating? We are getting the same thing. Okay, that is here. Am I communicating? So I will not be wrong if I write this as this. All right, is that clear? Good. I'm still going to what to integrate this. I'm going to still apply the sign of what integration here. So I'm having this x dx. All right. So now at the end of the day, this is the integral sign. This is d over dx. Okay. So they can go off. So I'll be left with what? I'll be left with this y. Okay. E to xy equals. Now, if I integrate this, I will still get the same thing. All right. Plus what? Plus c. Okay. Now I want my y to stand alone. So I'm going to divide all through by e to x, e to x, e to x. All right. So this and this strikes out. Okay. So I'm left with what? Y here equals. Now also from the rule of what? Of indices. Ex over e to x. Okay. So how do we solve that? Let me do it here quickly. Now e is common. So bring out one of the e's. X. Now division is what? Subtraction. So I'm having minus what? 2x, and that will give me what? E minus x. All right. So that means my answer here will be what? E minus x plus. Now look at this. C over what? E 2x. That's still written as what? C e minus what? 2x. Okay, is that understood? All right, somebody's asking me how possible is that. Now let me show you something. If I have 2 over what? Maybe 2 over x. This is the same thing as me writing it as 2x raised to the power of what? Minus 1. Is it not true? Good. So now if you check this one out, this is c over this. So if I'm writing it as this, okay, so this particular what? 2x carries what? The negative what? Sign from the rule of what? Of indices. All right, so this is our what? Our answer. I believe it is very, very simple. It is very, very easy. All right, so please, if you are not following me yet, try and follow me. All right, so click on that subscription button, on that like button, like this video, share this video, and comment on this video. Thank you.